silence, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left since while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow street and cobblestone. Let the halo rain street lamp, I turn my color to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stared by the flash of the neon light, split the night, and that's the sound of silence. And the naked light I saw, 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. Fools with eyes you do not know, silence like a cancer's grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might lead you. But my words like silent raindrops fell, echo in the winds of silence. People bow and pray to the neon getting made, and the sign flashed out its warning, and the words that it was told me, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the softly wall.